Hi everybody. If you made it this far, you have probably discovered that RapidMiner allows you to perform a wide range of tasks, from data preprocessing and modeling to visualization and deployment. But what if you need to extend its capabilities beyond what's built in? That's where the RapidMiner MarketPlace comes in. The MarketPlace is a central repository of over 1,500 extensions that you can use to enhance the functionality of RapidMiner. These extensions cover various use cases, including text mining, image processing, time series analysis, and much more. And the best part, many of them are completely free. So let's jump in and see how we can use the marketplace and install these extensions. To start, go to the Extensions menu and select Marketplace, which will bring you to this dialog. Here you can see that you have a search option in case you know what you're looking for, or want to search for a specific topic using a keyword. In the top downloads window, you can see some of the most popular extensions, such as text processing and an extension for integrating Python script. If you're just getting started with RapidMiner, we recommend that you just go ahead and install the following: text processing, web mining, Python or R integration, anomaly detection, and the series extension. If you're going to use Hadoop, you should also install the Hadoop extension, which is developed and supported by RapidMiner. So now let's go ahead and install some extensions. For the purpose of this demonstration, we click on web mining and check the box for installation. When we now select the Install One package, we see that web mining also requires the text processing extension. Hence, this will be automatically installed as well. You won't need to worry about selecting it. But before we do the installation, let's add the Hadoop extension as well. So we click on Don't Install. You can see that web mining is now marked for installation. We identify the Hadoop extension via the search option, click on it, and tick the box to select it for the installation. And after we have confirmed to install and accepted the license agreements, our download and installation will start. Through the magic of video editing, we will jump over this and the following product restart. If you look into the extensions folder in the operator panel, you can now see one new folder per extension. And for the Hadoop extension also, another view was added as indicated here. To manage and uninstall your extensions, you can select the Extensions, Manage Extensions menu, and further info and details of the option for bookmarking extensions of interest is available on the Marketplace website. The Marketplace website is extremely helpful if you're not able to reach the Marketplace from within the product. For example, when you are sitting behind a proxy or firewall. In that case, download the jar file and paste it into the extensions folder, which is typically under c:\users/username/.rapidminer/extensions/ on Windows machine, and under similar folders under the respective user directories of Linux and Mac. Once the files are copied, restart your RapidMiner Studio so the extensions become available. And this is all we had on extensions. Thanks for watching.